Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to find out your account number in PayPal. So let's get started. At first, we need to know that there is no such thing as account number in PayPal. What we use to log in is our email address and the password. We need to remember that. And there's another ID called merchant ID, which is quite useful in PayPal. So let's find out where we can find the merchant ID. At first, let's go to PayPal. For that, go to any browser and search for PayPal and click on this first website over here. Now we need to log in. Type your email address and password here. Now click on login. So now we are in PayPal interface. Now, if we click on this settings icon over here, so let's tap on this. Now we are in our account. If we scroll down a little bit, here is our merchant ID. So this is it. This is the position where you can find your merchant ID, and there's no such thing as account number in PayPal. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.